Hello YouTube, Anything's Possible Music here, how are we? Now this is going to be a quick video on YouTube keywords for your channel. Now I've been doing my channel for about a year and I realised I actually didn't have any. So I'm wondering, is that a reason why my search results have been pretty poor for the first year? Now obviously I'm an unsigned artist trying to get my music heard, so you just might be a artist or of any sort just trying to get your videos found, but you might realize you've done the same and not actually added any keywords to your channel. So this is just going to be a quick video on how to add them, what keywords I've used, and hopefully it'll make a big difference over the next couple of years. So please drop a comment, please subscribe, and please enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you. So this is my channel. Now obviously I want all my videos to appear in a higher search ranking, but I don't think they are at the moment. So if you'd like to follow this video, that'd be helpful. So this is my channel. Now obviously I use it primarily to promote my music, which you can see here. If you'd like to listen to a song as a thank you for doing that, that'd be really helpful. Here's the search guides where you'll find this video. Then I do quite a lot of motivational bits as well as like YouTube shorts, but adding your keywords isn't found here. You need to go to your YouTube studio, which you can find here on the top right. Now you just click that and you should go into your studio. Now you probably already know all about this part and what you look for it. I mean, I'm quite statistics based, but there's my amount of subscribers, which is quite poor. So if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be helpful. But we're going down to the settings part now. In the settings part, we're going to be looking for the channel part. And here you can see obviously my country and the keywords. So what keywords do you reckon I should be using? I'm allowed 500 characters. Now obviously I'm trying to promote my music here, so you can see my brand name, musician, I'm an unsigned artist, I'm a bass player. Then you've got my musical advice part of my channel, which is for things like videos like this. So I'm hoping that this video will start to appear higher in the search results. And then you can see some of my ambient music to promote my new music, and just odd bits and bobs like funny videos, etc., for some of the other little videos that I like putting on my channel to sort of make it a little thing. So you can see, you can just put keywords in, change them around. You got 500 characters, so just make the most of it really. Then you press save, and hopefully that's it. So hopefully I'll start appearing in new video ranks and things will get a lot better. So what do you think? Do you think it's made any impact on your search results? Drop a comment, because obviously we want to improve this. So thank you for watching that video, and please subscribe and please check out my music. Thank you.